On January 18, 2025, gunshots shattered the solemn atmosphere of Iran's Palace of Justice in Tehran. The target, two prominent judges of the Iranian Supreme Court. This brazen attack sent shockwaves through the nation and raised urgent questions about security and stability within the Islamic Republic. The assailant, a lone gunman, managed to penetrate the seemingly secure walls of the court. Details remain sketchy, but reports suggest he overpowered a security guard, seizing his weapon in the process. He then proceeded to use this weapon to fatally shoot judges Mohammad Moghisseh and Ali Razini. A third judge sustained injuries but is expected to survive. In the chaotic aftermath, the gunman reportedly took his own life. However, authorities have yet to confirm this detail. The incident has left the nation reeling, with many demanding answers about how such a breach could occur within the heart of Iran's judicial system. The assassinated judges, Mohammad Moghisseh and Ali Razini, were not simply legal figures, they were powerful individuals within the Iranian system. Both men had built careers presiding over high-profile cases, often involving political dissidents and those deemed enemies of the state. Moghisseh gained notoriety for his role in trials against supporters of the 2009 Green Movement, which challenged the legitimacy of Mahmoud Ahmadinejad's re-election. His harsh sentences and alleged disregard for due process earned him condemnation from international human rights groups. Razini, too, had a controversial past. He had been accused by opposition groups of complicity in the mass execution of political prisoners in the late 1980s. Furthermore, his long tenure within the judiciary placed him at the heart of numerous contentious legal battles. The assassination of these two judges has not only shaken the judiciary but has also exposed the deep divisions that continue to plague Iranian society. As investigators work tirelessly to piece together the events of that fateful day, one question looms large. What motivated this deadly attack? So far, no group or individual has come forward to claim responsibility. Some speculate that the assassin may have been driven by personal grievances, perhaps seeking revenge for perceived injustices at the hands of the slain judges. Others point to the possibility of a politically motivated act, intended to destabilize the Iranian government. Adding to the complexity is the lack of information about the assailant himself. His identity, background, and potential links to any groups or movements remain unknown. Until more information comes to light, the motive behind this brazen act will likely remain shrouded in mystery, fueling speculation and uncertainty within Iran and beyond. The assassination of two Supreme Court judges is a watershed moment for Iran. It has exposed vulnerabilities within the country's security apparatus and highlighted the deep-seated anger and resentment that exist within segments of society. The immediate response from Iranian authorities has been swift and pointed. The judiciary has laid blame at the feet of foreign powers, specifically Israel and the United States, accusing them of orchestrating or inspiring the attack. However, such accusations are unlikely to quell the anxieties of a nation already grappling with economic hardship and political repression. The incident has also raised concerns about the rule of law and the potential for further violence. As Iran mourns the loss of two prominent judges, it must also confront uncomfortable truths about the state of its judiciary, the prevalence of political violence, and the deep divisions that continue to plague the nation. The path forward remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. This act of violence will have lasting repercussions for the Islamic Republic.